think of things like cigarettes, alcohol, sweets, junk food for starters, but what if you're craving something that seems so simple and it doesn't taste like anything? We're talking about ice. It may not sound like a big deal, but as I found out, it actually could be a sign of a bigger health problem. It might seem like the most benign thing in your kitchen.
The coldness of it.
No calories, no taste.
I usually have 4 or 5 cups of ice.
But some just can't get enough ice.
When I wake up, it's the first thing I think of is I just want a cup of ice.
Fox News production assistant Christine Kitt constantly craves ice.
I would definitely say I have an addiction to ice, for sure.
Craving ice is a very common phenomenon. A lot of people will do it simply just because it feels good, it's cold, it's something to chew. For most cases, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
But in other cases, behavior expert Dr. Lynn Milliner says it could be a sign of an underlying medical condition.
It actually has been shown to be associated with a very common medical condition called iron deficiency anemia. A lot of people have it, and very common and very easily treated.
Too little iron can cause anemia, a decrease in red blood cells, which are necessary for getting oxygen throughout the body.
Anemia tends to cause the tongue to be inflamed, and the chewing ice will soothe that.
So if you're constantly craving ice, talk to your doctor.
Have them run a complete blood count, just check your iron level. Sometimes just treating the iron deficiency anemia makes the craving for ice go away.
If that's not it, it could be a disorder.
Pica is when you crave substances that are not food-like substances. Laundry detergent or dirt or paper or glue, they're not normal things.
Regardless of the cause, chewing ice can damage your teeth. Dentist Thomas Connelly sees his fair share of ice damage, like this patient, who's actually a doctor.
This particular patient was a severe ice chewer, 2 to 3 gallons a day. And not only was he grinding the ice, he was grinding the teeth.
If it's just a passing craving, you probably don't have to worry.
Craving ice is just what you do at the dinner table when the conversation's kind of boring. And people that have to stop by the store on the way to work, have an ice machine in their basement, get a snow cone machine, then you worry about addiction.
But for the sake of your teeth...
Stop chewing ice. You know, I think that sometimes if you have to focus on doing it, and just like quitting smoking. If you're unable to do it yourself, then you need to seek medical help.
Who knew? Behavioral pediatrician Dr. Milliner says pregnant women will often sometimes crave ice. She says that's often associated with low iron levels in your blood as well.
All right.